In this video, we are going to show you how to play video on the Chevy Mylink. First, download DIVX Converter to convert your MP4 files to DIVX. Drop the MP4 file, and then select Home Theater setting from the top drop menu. Home Theater has the best settings for the bitrate and size. It seems to work seamlessly with the Mylink system. In the upper left, select Start to prepare to convert the file. When complete, the file should look like so, .divx. If you try to customize the size yourself, it may come out as a .mkv, which will not work with the codec. Load the files onto a flash drive to your Chevy Mylink system. Fumble with which side goes into the receptacle. Once plugged into the USB port, the file will automatically load and show on your screen. As long as the vehicle is in park, this function will only work while in park. Once you go over 5 miles an hour, it'll stop the video, but the audio will still play. Hope this helps everyone. This is your tutorial on how to convert your MP4 and other files to work with the DIVX Converterchevy to work with your Mylink Chevy system. Thank you everyone. SVTWRC channel here, signing off. Bye-bye.